Actually, I'm eating a grape.
Oh, you're eating a grape.
What are you doing?
I'm eating on the table,
You're sitting on the table.
but I can't stand on the table
Oh,
because
that-
I might fall off and break my head open.
Yeah, we don't want you to break your head open.
Peabody, you just do this. I said a splash of splash. You're really hungry, aren't you, Peabody?
Yeah, I really like this grape. It's delicious.
I didn't know that. Do you like sour strawberries?
Oh no, is that one sour?
No, it's sweet.
Oh, I like sweet strawberries.
Peabody, you just got my finger wet.
I'm sorry.
It's alright. Peabody, what do you like to eat?
I like to eat grapes and strawberries and seeds. And
Oh, that's cool.
what do you like to eat?
I like to eat strawberries and grapes. Do you like to do that too, Peabody?
I do. I love fruits and vegetables. They make me very healthy.
And make you grow
Yeah,
bigger and bigger?
very big.
Wow, you're really big, Peabody.
Thank you. You're pretty big too.
Look it.
I thought you're not supposed to stand up. You might fall and break your head.
Sometimes people pull up and crack their head.
Can you tell me a story about a baby bird?
Once upon a time, there was a nest with full of baby birds. One day, they got eaten by a wolf.
The wolf ate the baby birds?
Yes.
That's so sad.
Mommy, that is a baby bird on your back.
And were they all right?
Well, it was